India to Mahabodhi Temple. This is 31st World Peace International Nagakur 9 Gamma Moon Lam Chenomo 2020. This
So friends,
kind
this
of
is a Mahabodhi temple.
seminar or big function where
This is 31st
monks from
World Peace
all
International
over the world, from Sri Lanka, China, Thailand, Japan,
some
Cambodia,
committee name is there.
from all the
board
Buddhist
is
countries,
displayed there.
the
This is
monks
31st
came
International
here, Tibet,
Peace is going
and it
on.
is very nicely decorated. Behind my back, you can see the Mahabodhi temple. This is all monks. This is one lake there where Buddha's statue is there, big lake. It is nicely decorated. This is just adjacent to Mahabodhi temple, this lake. You can see this 31st World Peace International Nagya Gyur 9 Guma Monalam Chenepo function here 2020. This is Mahabodhi temple, very nicely decorated. This is a tree where Gautam Buddha has got enlightened on Vaishya Purnima. So Gautam Buddha born on the same day, on the day of Vaishya Purnima. He died on the same day, Vaishya Purnima, Vaishak Purnima, and he got Mahaparinirvana on the same day. So around Mahabodhi temple, all the monks are chanting, very divine atmosphere, chants going on. Due to some security reason, they not allowed to take video or record, so pictures I have taken somehow. So you can see this is the outer gate, and outside also there are many monasteries. This is outer gate, many monasteries of different countries: Thailand, Japan, Sri Lanka, China, where big Buddha statues are there. This is Buddha statue. So you don't feel like as if you are in India. You feel like you are in some foreign country, in Thailand or China or Sri Lanka. The whole atmosphere is very peaceful. Everywhere is Buddha. You automatically get the peace once you see the Buddha. On the roadside, you'll get to see artifacts, Buddha statue, from where you can buy Buddha statues. These are all monasteries outside the gate of Bodhi temple. This is Thailand. This is Thailand Buddha statue. A very peaceful. One should go there to feel the atmosphere, peace atmosphere. This is a giant Buddha, 80 feet or more height, white Buddha. This is our Vipassana center. From Bodhi temple to Vipassana center is about 3-4 kilometers. You can do, or you can register for Vipassana. This is the Dhamma Bodhi Vipassana center. Vipassana is 10 days course where you have to do the meditation. You don't have to speak. It's a lifetime experience. The outer side of Vipassana center. You can see this is a stupa kind of structure. This I am showing the outside view of the Vipassana center. You have to register online. From here we are heading towards the Rajgir and Nalanda, where Nalanda University is there. So here girls from all over the world, Brazil, China, Indonesia, Japan, Nepal, they came here for Vipassana. So it is the lifetime experience. Anyone can do it, as you can see, right from no age bar. Many old ladies also come there. So you feel energetic, you feel peace. This is Buddha's theory is, as Buddha says, I am the Margadata. I am not a Mukti Data. So I can show you the path. On the path on which I attain the enlightenment, you can also attain. So now we are heading towards the Rajgir and Nalanda, which is about 1 hour journey, at the most 80 or more than 50 kilometers from Gaya. Gaya is a place in Bihar, and from Gaya it's a 10-kilometer Mahabodhi temple, and from Gaya to Rajgir Nalanda is